again. It's Sunday Fun Day and I'm here ready for my next adventure. I'm so freaking excited because today I get to see for the first time the Antelope Canyon. It is around 5:30 in the morning and the sun is already up. It's crazy. We woke up super early. Let me show you who's with me today. Alexis! Oh, you had to wake up. Come on. It's gonna be worth it. Trust me. Alexis, say hi to the camera.
Hello. Good morning, everybody.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. Let me show you who else is with me today. Cece is with me today. Show me your nails. Your $80 nails again.
They're only 30.
Oh, okay, they went down in price. So, are you excited?
Yes, super excited.
How is it to wake up at 5 in the morning?
It's fine.
Perfect.
I don't sleep much.
Perfect. And we got another one with us today. She doesn't really like to be on camera, but I don't care. Brianna,
Hi.
how do you like exploring Arizona?
I don't like waking up.
Oh? Well, this is Brianna, and she is from Texas. She's visiting, she's spending the summer with us, and she's getting to see the best of Arizona. So I'm so excited to show her.
It's pretty fun. It's been pretty fun.
Wait until you see it. This is nothing.
Really?
It's pretty awesome. Oh yeah. Go on your Instagram and hashtag Antelope Canyon. You're gonna be so amazed. Or just keep watching and we'll show you everything. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, so if you decide to come out here, you need to make sure that you make your reservations because look, it's sold out. And you don't wanna drive all the way over here and then not be able to go in. So go to the website, make your reservations before you make your trip down here. No selfie sticks, tripods, monopods, or GoPros. So yeah, you're gonna have to see my big old face in the camera because I cannot bring any of that stuff with me today. All right, so here we go. We were the first ones in the line. Yeah! I'm so excited. Cannot wait.
That's good.
So the canyon's right there. But you really can't see nothing. That's our shadows. We're finally here, guys. So awesome. Can't wait to show you all. More stairs, guys. Hanging out here with some friends. We met some friends. Let me show you them. How do you guys like the canyon? You like? Perfect. How do you guys like it?
Yes, it's amazing.
It's narrow, but it's nice.
Yes! Are we coming out of the canyon?
Looks like that.
Alright guys, looks like we are coming out of the canyon now. That was pretty cool. So what do you think?
It was great. I like the seahorse.
I love the seahorse. Alexis, what was your favorite part?
The seahorse.
The seahorse.
It was the seahorse. It was more visual than the elephant and the woman in the wind.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was the Lower Antelope Canyon here in Page, Arizona. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it now so you don't miss out on any of my adventures.
Until next time.
Till next time. Bye guys.
Yeet.